Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do slow panning in CapCut. So import your clips to CapCut and go to video effects. Find the distortion tab. Okay, this one, and then choose the ripple distortion effect. This one right here. Adjust it like this. So for the sharpen and blur, set it to 0. And the size, set it into 15, and set the speed and also intensity into 40. Okay, and then set the twist to 0, and you are done. Just click on the check icon and set the effect for all of your clips, and you'll have that slow panning effect. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.